Imagine a civilization thriving on Mars, millions of years ago. A civilization lost to time, buried beneath the red sands of the Martian landscape. Our journey begins with the intriguing concept of a lost civilization on Mars. A society that might have existed, flourishing in the midst of a Martian epoch, now shrouded in mystery and buried beneath eons of red dust. Could it be that we are not the pioneers of interplanetary exploration, but merely latecomers in a cosmic race that began long before us? Consider the Mars rover, our ambassador to the alien world, tirelessly scouring the Martian surface. Its archaeological findings have sparked a whirlwind of debate among the scientific community. The rover, in its odyssey, has stumbled upon anomalies that challenge our understanding of Mars. Unusual formations, peculiar mineral compositions, and signs of erosion that hint at a past where Mars was not the barren landscape we see today. These discoveries have given birth to theories suggesting life might have once existed on Mars. Evidence of water, the elixir of life, found in the form of ice caps and traces in Martian soil, has fueled these speculations. Could these remnants be the last vestiges of a Martian biosphere? Could the Red Planet have once been a cradle of life, teeming with organisms, perhaps even intelligent life? Ancient Martian structures, seemingly unnatural, further stoke the fires of curiosity. These Martian monoliths stand as silent sentinels, their purpose and origin a riddle waiting to be solved. Could they be the remnants of ancient Martian architecture, or are they just unusual geological formations? The answers lie hidden, waiting to be unearthed. Interplanetary archaeology may hold the key to unraveling these mysteries. The study of alien worlds, their history and potential civilizations could redefine our understanding of life in the cosmos. The implications for human colonization are profound. If Mars once harbored life, it might do so again, with us as the new Martians. What if we are not the first advanced species to explore Mars? What if we are merely following in the footsteps of a civilization long lost? Water, the life-sustaining element. Can you believe that Mars, the dry and barren planet, once had flowing rivers and vast oceans? Imagine Mars not as the dusty red desert we see today, but as a vibrant blue world teeming with water. Recent findings from Mars rovers have unearthed compelling evidence that Mars was once a water-rich planet. The discovery of ancient riverbeds, dried-up lake beds, and mineral deposits that could only form in the presence of water paint a picture of a planet that might have been quite the water world billions of years ago. Now, water alone doesn't necessarily mean life, but where there's water, there's the potential for life. And that's where things get really exciting. Along with these water-related discoveries, scientists have found traces of methane in the Martian atmosphere. You see, here on Earth, most of the methane in our atmosphere is produced by living organisms. Could it be the same for Mars? But the evidence doesn't stop there. In the Martian soil, the rovers have detected organic molecules, the basic building blocks of life as we know it. These molecules could have been produced by biological processes, hinting at the possibility that Mars might have once harbored life. Perhaps the most intriguing discovery, however, is the existence of microscopic organisms in the Martian soil, akin to bacteria. These microorganisms could survive in extreme conditions, much like the harsh environment found on Mars today. So, what does all this mean? Well, it suggests that Mars, our neighboring planet, could have been a cradle for life in its distant past. It's a thrilling thought, isn't it? The hunt for life on Mars is far from over, but each new piece of evidence brings us one step closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Could these microscopic organisms be the remnants of a once thriving Martian life? What do you think? Imagine stumbling upon the ruins of an ancient city on Mars. Would that not be the discovery of a lifetime? As we traverse the Martian terrain, we encounter a series of perplexing structures. These formations, scattered across the planet, have sparked compelling debates and theories, some of which suggest that these could be the remnants of an ancient Martian civilization. The face on Mars, located in the Cydonia region, is one such structure that has intrigued researchers and enthusiasts alike. This mile-long mesa, when viewed from a certain angle, resembles a humanoid face. While scientists attribute this to pareidolia, a psychological phenomenon where the human mind perceives familiar patterns where none exist, it hasn't stopped the speculation. Then we have the so-called Martian pyramids. These pyramid-like formations have been compared to the Great Pyramids of Egypt, triggering theories about a possible connection between ancient Earth and Mars civilizations. However, the scientific community leans towards geological explanations, suggesting these structures were likely formed by natural processes over millions of years. One of the most puzzling structures is the glass tubes spotted by Mars rovers. These tube-like formations, some large enough to fit a subway train, have led to theories about ancient transportation systems or even habitats for Martian life. Yet many scientists argue that they are likely formed by lava flows or wind erosion. The exploration of these ancient Martian structures is still in its infancy. With every new mission to Mars, we inch closer to unraveling the mysteries they hold. The scientific community continues to study these structures, using advanced technology and interplanetary archaeology in hopes of uncovering their true nature. Could it be that these structures are mere geological formations sculpted by eons of Martian weather? Or do they hold evidence of a long-lost Martian civilization waiting to be unearthed? The answers remain elusive, shrouded in the red dust of Mars. Are these structures a testament to an advanced civilization that once flourished on Mars? Share your thoughts in the comments. Interplanetary archaeology, a new frontier in the quest for knowledge. What implications does it have for human colonization of Mars? Let's delve into this fascinating concept. Interplanetary archaeology is the study of past life or civilizations on other planets. It's like peering through the dusty windows of time to catch a glimpse of a planet's history. And in our case, that planet is Mars. Why is it important, you ask? Imagine this. We're not just looking at old rocks and soil samples. We're searching for signs of life, past or present, microscopic or advanced. Each discovery, each piece of the Martian puzzle, brings us closer to understanding whether Mars could have harbored life, and if it could again. This is where human colonization comes into play. If Mars once supported life, it could potentially do so again. By piecing together the story of Mars, we're actually laying the groundwork for future generations to call Mars home. However, interplanetary archaeology is not without its challenges. We're dealing with a harsh, alien environment millions of miles away. The logistics of sending rovers, let alone humans, to Mars are complex and costly. Yet with every challenge comes opportunity. The advent of new technologies and our insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown are driving us forward. And with each Mars rover mission, we're not just collecting data, we're testing the waters for human missions to Mars. Interplanetary archaeology is more than just science. It's a testament to human resilience and our unwavering desire to push boundaries. We're not just looking for aliens or ancient ruins, we're searching for our place in the cosmos. So as we stand on the brink of becoming a spacefaring species, we must remember Mars is not just a destination, it's a stepping stone. Each discovery on the red planet is a beacon, guiding us towards our future among the stars. Could this be the key to unlocking the secrets of Mars and paving the way for humans to become an interplanetary species? Mars, a planet shrouded in mystery and intrigue, a planet that might hold the keys to understanding our place in the universe. We've probed its red soil, studied its ancient structures, and pondered its lost civilization. As we stand on the brink of interplanetary colonization, these discoveries not only shape our future, but also echo through our past. So what do you think? Is Mars the Rosetta Stone of interstellar archaeology? If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Join us as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe.